Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. ORG Cars. The Tata Yodha 2.0, launched in 2025, stands as a testament to Tata Motors' commitment to delivering robust and reliable commercial vehicles. Designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses and transporters, the Yodha 2.0 combines power, durability, and efficiency. Design and build. The Yodha 2.0 boasts a bold and muscular exterior, featuring a three-piece metallic bumper, stone guard, fender assembly, and a stylish grille complemented by the Tata signature trussed bar. Its dimensions are 5,350 mm in length, 1,860 mm in width, and 1,810 mm in height to provide a commanding road presence. A ground clearance of 210 mm ensures adept handling across various terrains. Interior. The interior of the 2025 Tata Yodha 2.0 is designed for functionality, comfort, and durability, ensuring it meets the needs of commercial drivers while offering a pleasant experience during long drives. Cabin design and layout. Driver-centric cabin. The cabin is spacious, featuring a well-organized layout with easy-to-reach controls. The design is optimized for long-haul comfort, with a focus on reducing driver fatigue. Seating. The Yodha 2.0 comes equipped with a comfortable bench seat for the driver and co-driver, providing ample space for long drives. The seats are ergonomically designed to support posture and reduce stress. Chassis and suspension. Built on a robust chassis, the Yodha 2.0 is engineered to handle heavy loads with ease. Its suspension system is designed to offer a smooth ride, reducing driver fatigue and enhancing productivity. The inclusion of an anti-roll bar further stabilizes the vehicle during transit, ensuring safety and comfort. Transmission. The Yodha 2.0 is equipped with a G76 5/4.49 Mark II synchro mesh gearbox, featuring 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. This configuration ensures efficient power delivery and smooth gear transitions, enhancing overall driving experience. Payload and capacity. One of the standout features of the Yodha 2.0 is its impressive payload capacity. With the ability to carry up to 2,000 kilograms, it caters to a wide range of cargo transportation needs. The spacious cargo bed and superior suspension system ensure that heavy loads are transported smoothly, minimizing wear and tear. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is a critical factor for commercial vehicles, and the Yodha 2.0 delivers commendably in this aspect. With a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters, it offers a mileage of approximately 12 to 13 kilometers per liter, making it a cost-effective choice for long hauls and daily operations. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the Yodha 2.0's design. The vehicle comes equipped with side and rear underride protection devices, enhancing safety during collisions. The collapsible steering wheel further ensures driver safety in the event of a frontal impact. Additionally, features like the Eco Mode switch and gear shift advisor aid in promoting fuel-efficient driving habits. Variants and pricing. The Tata Yodha 2.0 is available in multiple variants to cater to different business requirements. 3150/x/8.7 by 6 ft, 98 horsepower, manual, priced at a superscript 19.99 lakh. 3150/X crew cab /6.1 by 6 FT, 98 horsepower, manual, priced at a superscript 110.40 lakh. 3150/X /8.67 by 6 FT, 98 horsepower, manual, priced at a superscript 110.16 lakh. These prices are ex-showroom and may vary based on location and additional features. Conclusion. The 2025 Tata Yodha 2.0 emerges as a versatile and reliable pickup truck, adept at handling a variety of commercial tasks. Its combination of robust design, impressive payload capacity, fuel efficiency, and safety features makes it a valuable asset for businesses seeking a dependable transportation solution.